Okay, so it's a relatively clear night in Southwest Florida. Um, just gonna show you what it looks like, right? And it's all subjective, depending upon the camera, stuff like that. But lights off, no ambient light, nowhere, not that much, hopefully. There's just turning it on with the new fog lights. That's with the DRL, my LED DRLs. So a huge difference. That's without the fog lights. Let's go back to parking. Here's your parking. Let's turn our fog lights on. Pretty big difference. All the way off, one level. Next level, DRL with fog lights. Turn off DRL. Oh, I'm sorry, that's turning off the fog lights, turning them on. That's with the LEDs. Turn off the fog lights. Turn on the fog lights. That's all.